Okay.
Go, Noah, go.
Synchronized swimmers. Hey y'all, out here at the pool with the kids, and y'all just join in. Look at them. They're busy, busy.
What's this?
You jumping in?
I'm gonna do it, Memaw. That was cool, wasn't it? Now me and I are gonna sit in the water.
Y'all ready? You're welcome.
That was
They have had a good time at the pool. Now it's time to go home and fix something good to eat. Before I begin cooking, I have to make sure that Noah is showered and his hair is washed. The girls are able to take care of themselves, so I don't have to worry about them. And we usually do a co-wash after the pool to get the chlorine out of their hair. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Angela, but my babies call me Memaw. I manage my home as a work-from-home mom in an old-school way with a new-school twist. I hope you like my content. If so, please hit the subscribe button, then follow that with a like and a comment. Now let's get to cooking. We'll start with preheating our air fryer. I've already pulled out some convenience food. These are the items that I know that the kids will eat. Noah doesn't eat chicken and Peyton doesn't eat mozzarella sticks. When you look at the plates later in the video, see if you can tell which plate belongs to which child. So on today's menu, we will have ramen with mixed veggies, chicken wings, mozzarella sticks, and a tossed salad. I prepackaged some salads during my prep time this week, and that's where my salad came from. My salad in a jar came from. I will link my weekly prep video here, and it certainly does make life easier to prep at the beginning of the week so that when we are doing things like this, I can just quickly grab and go.
Do it, yours.
Since we were at the pool, and you know all kids are starving when they have any water activity, I wanted to think of something quick and nutritious to prepare for them to eat for dinner. This menu is quick enough to prep while the kids are getting dressed and showered, and they can come in afterward and help serve the plates and put everything on the table and get the table set.
Looks good.
We can dodge with stuff for you.
Looks good. I just never had it.
She works. Watch it. You got it? Are you recording? Now, I know you probably have seen videos here on YouTube of setting up mason jar salads. My salad has iceberg lettuce, romaine lettuce, orange peppers, radishes, broccoli, and green onion in it. I'll link my favorite YouTube video on this type of salad prep above. Now, getting back to my question, can you tell whose plate is whose? Noah doesn't like chicken. Peyton doesn't like mozzarella sticks. Ari eats everything. Put your answers down below in the comment section, and I will give you the answer in the description. We are back home from the pool. We've had our showers and got hair done because, you know, when they go underwater, they need to get all their chlorine out of their hair. So we do a co-wash, and I'll show you what we co-wash it with. And then we braid it back up so that it can be ready for the next day. But we had a real simple meal to pull together. It's something that I know they will eat. Anyway, so we're getting ready to eat. Peepaw is down at the lake fishing. And it's just a relaxing day for all of us. Let's show you what the kids are eating and what I'm going to be eating. Got on her whole bathrobe. Y'all are gonna eat, go ahead and dig in. We've already said the blessing, and now it's time to eat. Is it good, Noah? Yeah. Folks, so I'm going to get my plate. Y'all be blessed and have a good, relaxing day. Bye.